Check your water hardness by dipping this test strip into the water tank before placing the water tank into the machine. Your water hardness is indicated by the number of red squares displayed on the test strip. For example, 3 red squares indicates a water hardness setting of 3. When you turn your machine on for the first time, you'll be prompted to enter the result from your water hardness test strip. To program it on your machine, use the arrow up or arrow down keys to select water hardness from 1 to 5. Then press Menu to set. The machine will beep to confirm your selection. If your water hardness is either 4 or 5 when tested, we strongly recommend you change to an alternate filtered water source, as this can affect the taste of your coffee and the maintenance requirements of your machine. Also remember not to use any distilled water or water with 0 or low mineral content, as this will affect both the taste and functionality of your machine.